Hey everyone! In today's video, we're diving into a brand new operating system based on Windows 11 24H2 called BeautyOS. At first glance, you'll notice a stunning desktop background and a few handy shortcuts like My PC, Recycle Bin, and an Extras folder. Inside that folder, we find some interesting tools: personalization folders, browsers, websites, medicine, log files, services, and the Ultra WX theme patcher for installing third-party themes. On the taskbar, there's the Start menu featuring the StarLab app, and if we run the command winbur, we can confirm that this system is indeed based on Windows 11 24H2 build 26100.4349. Opening Task Manager, we see 21 background processes, CPU usage slightly over 20%, and 1.1 gigabytes of RAM used out of 4 gigabytes. Let's head over to Windows Explorer. This BeautyOS ISO weighs in at 3.48 gigabytes, is in English, and the download link will, as always, be in the first pinned comment. Right-clicking on the C drive properties, we see it uses about 10.55 gigabytes, which is a bit high for a Windows 11 Lite. Through the control panel, we can check installed apps, including 7-Zip, Microsoft Visual C++ 2015-2022, Remote Desktop, StarLab software, and the Ultra WX theme patcher for third-party themes. This Windows 11 Lite already comes with 5 creator-specific updates. System features include .NET Framework 3.5 and 4.8, multimedia options, PDF printing, Remote Differential Compression API, SMB Direct, and Windows PowerShell 2.0. You also have access to the Microsoft Store, so let's test it by installing WhatsApp. And as you can see, it opens perfectly with no issues. In the Settings section, we encounter the usual warning: the system needs to be activated to function properly. Looking at installed apps beyond the control panel, we find Calculator, Camera, Clock, Media Player, Night Shell, Outlook, Power Automate, Windows Quick Assist, Snipping Tool, StarLab software, Ultra WX theme patcher for third-party themes. In Privacy and Security, there's no Windows Defender anywhere as the default antivirus. According to Windows Home Date, updates are paused until February 6, 2026. You can resume updates, but since this is a light system, I don't recommend it. Right-clicking on the desktop brings up an extended menu with system options like Power Options, Restart in Safe Mode with Networking, or CMD and PowerShell access, File Explorer admin access, Classic System personalization, Quick System Restart, and a shortcut to run SFC Scan Now. Next, let's open the Extras folder to install a browser, since this system doesn't come with one. After extracting the compressed folder, we'll install Mozilla Firefox and test it by visiting YouTube. And look at that, super fast, no issues at all. Finally, let's go to Settings, Language and Region to switch the system to Spanish. We'll use Mexican Spanish as an example. Keep in mind, if the system doesn't switch, it's because the language component was removed from the ISO. Once installed, it asks you to log out and set a new password. After logging back in, most texts, including the Start menu, remain in English, and File Explorer stays in English as well. So this system can only be used in English United States. If you want to try out BeautyOS based on Windows 11 24H2, the download link is in the first pinned comment. And if you're hungry for more videos on modified, light, and optimized operating systems, check out this next playlist. We'll see you there.